Hey guys, let's make a bakery style jeera cookies in a healthier version. Here I didn't use any maida or sugar. So without any delay, we'll start the process. So here I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour and I am adding 1 cup of besan. You can use any cup you have. So after that I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk powder. This milk powder not only enhances the taste of the cookie, it will also helps in making the cookies softer. Now I'm adding uh, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and some cumin seeds, which is jeera. Here I have grinded the 1 cup of jaggery into powder. Now I am adding it. This is very healthy cookies. You also try at your home and let me know in the comment. It will come out so soft and tasty. I bet your family members are going to love these cookies and going to praise you like anything. So now I have melted 1 cup of butter. Now I am adding it. Add little by little. Mix everything and form like a dough. In case if you feel the consistency is not forming a dough, then you can add very little milk, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Don't add much milk. So this is the perfect consistency of the dough. Now take the chapati roller and initially press the dough as shown in the video and then roll it with the help of rolling pin. Don't roll it so thin, it should be of medium thickness. Now cut the edges to form a square shape. You can make the cookies whichever the shape you want. Here I am making square shape cookies because usually jeera cookies are in square shape. So here with the help of knife I am making a design on the cookie. Now bake them at 170 degrees in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So here our cookies are ready. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.